Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Hostinger recovery code. The first thing I want you to do is go to Hostinger, log into your H panel, and then I want you to come here to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then from this drop down, click here on security. Once you are on this tab, make sure you're on security. You'll see two-factor authentication setup. Right now it's off. We'll go ahead and turn it on. So click on turn on. And then you need to choose your two-factor authentication method. So every time you log in, you'll need to enter your one-time code. This will also be your recovery code. You can use any of these authentication apps. You can also use an email. So you can choose email to send a code to us. So you select that. And then you just verify your password to activate two-factor authentication. And then they'll send you the recovery code to your email as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.